Hello, it's Dwayne, the Success King, and today we're going to take a simple walk through something extremely powerful. How to start a business that actually makes money. So many people dream about having a business. They dream of freedom. They dream of great income. They dream of changing their lives for the better, but they often stop because they don't know where to begin. This video is the beginning. Today, I'm going to break things down in a way that's easy to understand and even easier to start using right away. You're going to learn how to pick a good idea, how to test it without losing money, how to make your first dollars, and how to grow. At the end, I'll show you 2 ideas that changed my life: believe, feel, act, and detachment. These 2 ideas helped me build business after business and help thousands of others do the same. So we want to get into it. But before we do, I want you to do me a favor and subscribe to this great channel. Hit that notification bell. Come on, hit that notification bell so you know every time we upload great content. This channel is growing and it is going to be a premier place to come for this type of information. So subscribe and leave me a comment, and I look forward to connecting with you. Now, let's talk about what entrepreneurship really means. Most people think entrepreneurship is about having a fun idea, being your own boss, or waking up when you want. And yes, those things can happen, but real entrepreneurship is something way deeper. Entrepreneurship is simply this: find a problem, solve the problem, get paid for solving it, do it again. That's it. It's not magic. It's not luck. It's not only for special people. It's for problem solvers. Look around your own life. Every business you see today is solving a problem. A lawn care company solves the problem of tall grass. A bakery solves the problem of people needing good food. A cleaning service solves the problem of people wanting a clean home but having no time. A consultant solves the problem of people needing guidance. That's all business is. Let me tell you a quick story. Years ago, a woman came to me and said, "Dwayne, I want to start a business, but I don't know what to do." I only asked her one question: what problem do people always come to you for? She paused, she thought, and finally she said, "People always come to me when they need their houses organized." Boom, there it was. She later built a small organizing and cleaning company that changed her financial life. The problem was there all along. She just didn't see it yet. You don't have to chase a big idea. You just have to solve a real problem. Now let's go part 2. How do you find a business idea that really makes money? A business that makes money starts with an idea that solves a real need. Here are 5 simple ways to find those ideas. Number 1, look for pain points. People pay money to stop pain, not physical pain, life pain. Ask yourself, what do people complain about? What seems hard for them? What do they wish someone else would do for them? When something is a true pain point, there is almost always money behind it. For example, most people do not enjoy deep cleaning their homes. They will gladly pay someone to take that pain away. That's a business. Most people don't enjoy paperwork. They will pay someone to handle it. That's a business. Look for pain. That's where profit lives. Number 2, follow the money. You don't have to guess what people want. They are already showing you. Just go look. Amazon bestsellers, Etsy trending items, TikTok shop hot products, local businesses that stay busy, services that people ask friends about. When people spend money on something, it means they value it. You're not trying to create demand out of thin air. You're stepping into a river where money is already flowing. Number 3, use your skills. You already have value inside you. You may not think your skills matter, but they do. Things that feel easy for you are often hard for someone else. Maybe you're good at fixing things, designing things, speaking, writing, maybe cooking, cutting hair, social media, numbers, planning, cleaning, teaching. If someone else needs it and you can do it well, that's a business. One of my clients built a business doing simple computer cleanups for seniors. Something that took him 10 minutes felt like magic to them. Simple to do does not mean it's simple for the entire world. So you've got to know what to do. Number 4, ride a trend that's already growing. You don't have to be the inventor of something new. You just need to catch the wave. Some waves right now are things like AI tools, health and wellness, remote work, home-based services, eco-friendly products, personal finance education, small business support services, home cleaning, pet care. Trends grow fast. If you step in early, you grow fast right along with them. Number 5, ask, would I pay for this? Even if you wouldn't pay for your own idea, other people probably won't either. You got to get that part straight. Honesty is your friend. Put yourself in the customer's shoes and ask, would I spend my money on this right now? If the answer is no, adjust. Don't throw the idea away, refine it. This is important. Now, part 3, how to test your idea without losing money. Come on, pull up your chair, put your glasses on, get your pen out, turn your hearing aid up, whatever you got to do, because this part is where most people fail. They rush, they get excited, they buy equipment, they buy business cards, they build a website, they spend money before they make a dime. You don't need all that at first. I tell this to people all the time. You need proof that people want what you are offering. And here's how you get that proof. Number 1, talk to real people. Sit down with about 10 to 20 people who fit your idea. Ask simple questions like, would this help you? What would make this better? How much would you pay for this? How often would you need this? Real conversations will tell you more than Google ever will. Trust me. 2, create a simple test version. This is called an MVP, minimum viable product. It's a service. Offer it in a simple way. Put in a Facebook group, message somebody, offer a free trial for feedback. Do the work yourself at first. If it's a product, do a simple mock-up. Create a sample, make a digital version, accept pre-orders, show pictures, and gather interest. You don't need perfection. You need proof. Number 3, look for the wallet test. Here's the real truth. People saying that's a great idea means nothing. People taking out their wallet means everything. When someone pays, even a small amount, it tells you your idea is real. If nobody buys, don't quit. Adjust. Business is a game of testing until it works. Part 4, setting up your business the right way. Once you confirm people want what you offer, now it's time to set up the business. This is where you move from hobby to real ownership. Here's what you need to do at the start. Number 1, a good business name. Make it simple, easy to remember, easy to spell, clear about what you do. Check if the .com is available. If it is, grab it. Number 2, register your business. In most states, that means choosing a structure. LLC is common, but you can have a C Corp. I have a C Corp. Registering your name, getting an EIN from the IRS. This keeps you legal and safe. Number 3, open a business bank account. Never mix personal and business money. If you're going to come to me for getting funding, these things critically matter. It creates confusion. It weakens your credibility. It makes taxes harder, and it hurts you when you try to get funding. A clean account shows lenders you are serious. Number 4, set up your basic tools. You don't need a lot at the beginning, just the basics. A simple website, a way to take payments, an email list, a way for people to contact you. Keep it simple. Perfect is not required. Progress is. Number 5, how to make your first $1,000. I'm going to tell you, this is part most people dream about. And let me tell you, your first $1,000 will feel like 1 million. Not because of the amount, but because you proved to yourself that you can do it. Here's how to get there. Number 1, sell before you scale. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. Start talking to people now. Send messages, make calls, post online. Tell your friends. Money comes from action. I'm going to say it again. Money comes from action. Write it down. Money comes from action. Number 2, use free marketing. You don't need ads in the beginning. You need relationships, posts, helpful tips, before and after photos, stories, proof, testimonials. Show people what you can do. Be consistent. The more you show up, the more people trust you. I'll say it again. The more you show up, the more people trust you. Number 3, improve your offer as you go. Ask every customer, what did you like? What didn't you like? What almost stopped you from buying? This feedback will make your business stronger. And remember, your first version should be the worst version. You get better with time. Number 4, raise your prices. As you get more experience and more results, your price should rise too. You are building value. You are building confidence. You are building a business. Never be afraid to grow. Part 6, how to scale your business. Scaling means growing without burning out. Here's how to do it in a very simple way. Number 1, take your work into systems. A business grows when your hands are not doing everything. Turn your steps into a system. Turn your process into a checklist. Turn your knowledge into training. When you can teach someone else what you do, you are building a real company. 2, automate what you can use tools to help you with, like scheduling tools, emailing tools, templates, AI writing tools, finance tools. Trust me, automation saves you time, and time is money. Number 3, build a team, even a small one. You don't need a huge staff. Start with one helper, a virtual assistant, a cleaner, a designer, a customer service helper. Your job is to do only what you do best. Number 4, create a simple sales funnel. A funnel just means you have a path for people to follow. They find you, they get value, they trust you, they buy. This can be done with social media, YouTube, a free guide, email sequences, a simple offer. This is how you make sales even when you sleep. Part 7, the heart of success. Believe, feel, act, and detachment. Now let's talk about something deeper, because skills alone won't make you successful. If you stop watching this video right now, you're going to miss the internal critical part that you're going to need to be successful, because skills alone won't make you successful. Again, paperwork alone won't make you successful. A website alone won't make you successful. Your mindset creates the real results. Let me share 2 powerful truths that have shaped my life and the lives of thousands of people that I've had the time to interact with, coach, or they were my clients. The believe, feel, act pattern. Everything you create starts with what you believe. When you believe something is possible, you begin to feel differently about it. And those feelings push you to act. So it's believe, feel, act. If you believe your business can succeed, you will feel strength rise in you. And when you feel that strength, you act with boldness. Your actions are the fruit of your beliefs. I've watched people who believed they were never going to succeed build businesses that changed their lives because they learned how to shift their beliefs. Entrepreneurship starts in your mind before it shows up in your money. Check right now. Think about this. What is your mind saying about your potential for success? Then there's detachment, the secret to calm success. Detachment does not mean you don't care. It means you don't cling. When you cling to the outcome, the sale, the fear, the approval, the results, you get stuck. Detachment means doing the right work, staying focused, and trusting the process. It means showing up every day without letting fear control you. It means releasing the pressure of it must happen right now and trusting that you're moving in the right direction. People who build strong businesses learn how to detach from stress and stay peaceful while they grow. Detachment brings clarity. Clarity brings action. Action brings you success. Listen, starting a business is not a race. It's not a mystery. It's not magic. It's a journey. You start with a simple idea. You solve a real problem. You test before spending. You deliver with excellence. You grow step by step. You believe in yourself. You act with purpose, and you detach from fear. If you can do those things, you can build something amazing. Your future is waiting. I want to encourage you today. If this has blessed you in any way, elevated you, challenged you, set you up for a better day, click that link and subscribe to this channel because we're going to be doing it every week. I want you to leave me a comment. What have you heard? What are you trying? What are you doing? Leave me a comment because I want to speak back into your life and share this video with someone else who can be blessed by what we've shared today. You be blessed. Have an awesome day building the purpose you came into this world for. Take care.